Hello, my name is Trina Gonzalez. I will be discussing how student loan debt affects the future of students. The student loan debt has reached $1.48 trillion. This topic is very important because there are students who come from different countries or are in situations that doesn't allow them to receive scholarships or free application of federal student aid. There are three main ways student loan debt affects students. First, it can cause many mental issues. Secondly, it can cause students to abandon their dreams. And lastly, it affects the economy. Student loan debt can cause mental issues such as depression or anxiety. Some students have attempted suicide. A study concluded that more than 70% suffer from headaches, insomnia, and other physical symptoms of anxiety. People from all financial and social status experience depression and anxiety. It doesn't affect a certain group of people more than others. Receiving a good education should not come with a lifetime of stress or anxiety. There are numerous studies that prove student loan debt causes many mental struggles, such struggles as well as suicide, but people fail to talk about it. Because of this burden, 1 in 11 deaths by suicide among young professionals was at least partly due to student loans. Over half have experienced depression, 9 in 10 experience significant anxiety. Whether it gets better or worse will depend on policy changes in rules governing student loan forgiveness or repayment plans restructured to ease the crushing burdens on students who borrowed to secure their piece of the American dream. Many students choose to not get a higher education to avoid the high tuition fees or the student debt. The debt that is taken on to allow one to pursue their dreams later morphs into a burden that requires them to abandon their dreams and get a job that will just pay the bills. Many end up in jobs that will never pay enough to allow them to become debt-free. More than 2/3 of the graduated class of 2018 entered the labor market with an average of $29,800 in student loan debt. It can also bring down an individual's likelihood of being in a job closely related to their major. More than half of student loan borrowers say that debt informed their career choice. The U.S. is a consumer-driven economy. People pay for goods and services. It keeps the economy growing and running. When people spend less, then it lowers revenues and profits, which slows financial growth. High rates of debt could cause student loan borrowers to struggle if a recession were to occur. Student loan debt can affect students financially, particularly if it keeps borrowers from pursuing other financial goals. Student loan debt delays homeownership, which causes supply and demand to go out of balance. When fewer people buy cars or homes, use credit cards, or spend in general, it affects businesses and slows down the economic growth. Student loans enable many young people to attend college or graduate school and earn valuable degrees. Unfortunately, many graduated find the benefits of college are soured by the burdensome debt they took on to attend. In conclusion, these are the three main ways student loan debt affects the future of students. There are many more, and they can get worse over time. College should be helping people achieve their goals, not prevent them from achieving them. And college should also help people become someone in this world.